we're going to install the Bookmarklet. Bookmarklet is a piece of code that you can activate from your bookmarks bar that enables you to put a Canopi on any web page. To install the Bookmarklet, go to the nav bar, click Bookmarklet. Next thing you want to do is show the bookmarks bar. You see that this is already checked. You can see right here that the bookmarks bar is here. All you need to do to install the Bookmarklet is drag the button to the bookmarks bar. If you want to try it, go to any site. I'm going to go to Wikipedia. Now I just click the Canopi Bookmarklet, and you see that the Canopi shows at the bottom.